If your breakfast is leaving you hungry by 10 a.m., we need to fix that, starting today. Because the right breakfast can literally control your hunger, energy, and fat loss for the entire day. Hi, today I'm going to walk you through 5 healthy, practical breakfast recipes that support weight loss, without starving you or overcomplicating your routine. Each one is simple, balanced, and designed to keep you full. Let's go with me step by step. Recipe 1. Protein Oats Power Bowl. Start with this, because it's one of the most effective breakfasts for fat loss. We need half a cup oats, 1 scoop protein powder, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1/2 banana, cinnamon. Cook your oats with water, or you can take low-fat milk. Once cooked, stir in your protein powder, add sliced banana on top, finish with peanut butter and a sprinkle of cinnamon. You're getting a combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. That means slower digestion, stable energy, and fewer cravings later. This is the kind of breakfast that keeps you full, not just temporarily satisfied. Recipe 2. Veggie Egg Scramble. Now let's move into something savory. We need 2 whole eggs, 2 egg whites, spinach, onions, tomatoes, 1 slice whole grain toast. Heat a pan and lightly oil it. Add chopped vegetables and sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. Whisk eggs and egg whites, then pour into the pan. Cook until fluffy and fully set. Serve with 1 slice of whole grain toast. Eggs provide high-quality protein, which helps preserve muscle during weight loss. The vegetables add volume and fiber, so you feel full without adding many calories. This is a great option if you prefer a warm, filling breakfast. Recipe 3. Fat Loss Smoothie. If you're short on time, this one is perfect. We need 1 scoop protein powder, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, half a cup frozen berries, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, handful of spinach. Add all ingredients into a blender, blend until smooth, drink immediately. This smoothie is light but nutrient-dense. You get protein for fullness, fiber from chia seeds, and antioxidants from berries. It's quick, portable, and ideal for busy mornings. Recipe 4. Greek Yogurt Parfait. Now let's keep things simple and refreshing. We need 1 cup low-fat Greek yogurt, fresh berries, 1 tablespoon granola, 1 teaspoon honey. It's optional. Add yogurt to a bowl, top with berries, sprinkle granola for crunch, add a small drizzle of honey if needed. Greek yogurt is naturally high in protein and supports gut health. Berries provide fiber and natural sweetness. This meal is low in calories but very satisfying. Recipe 5. Avocado Toast with Protein. Finally, it's a balanced option with healthy fats. We need 1 slice whole grain bread, 1/4 avocado, 1 boiled egg or grilled chicken slices, salt, pepper, chili flakes. Toast your bread, mash avocado and spread it on top. Add your protein, egg or chicken. Season lightly. Healthy fats from avocado help keep you satisfied longer. Adding protein makes this meal balanced and weight loss friendly. It's simple, but very effective. Now here's how I want you to use these recipes. You don't need to eat the same breakfast every day. Instead, rotate these options based on your schedule and preferences. Short on time? Go for the smoothie. Need something filling? Choose oats or eggs. Want something light? Yogurt parfait works great. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Here's my advice. A weight loss breakfast should always include protein, fiber, some healthy fats. That combination controls hunger, stabilizes energy, and prevents overeating later in the day. Skipping breakfast or eating high-sugar foods might seem convenient, but it usually leads to cravings and poor food choices later. Start your day with intention. If you want more simple, effective nutrition strategies that actually work in real life, make sure to subscribe. And remember, small, Consistent changes in your daily meals lead to real, lasting results.